Hey you guys, I'm just sliding through to show you guys my new beverage cooler, a new addition to my living space. If you're interested in finding out more, do stay tuned throughout the whole video. You don't want to miss this. This video is sponsored by Newair. Alright guys, so the name of this fridge is the Newair 90 can black freestanding beverage fridge. AB-850B is the exact fridge. So guys, I have been wanting a mini fridge for my bedroom area because that's the area I spend the most time in. So that's why I chose to put it where it is. A very space-saving design, okay, and an interior LED light on the inside for optimum viewing with the on and off switch. How cool. And this little knob here controls the temperature 1 through 7. And just showing you guys, this fridge does get cold. As you can see the frost in the back there, just showing you that. This glass door is what really drew me to this fridge. You can see all of your drinks from the outside. Very sturdy design as well, not cheaply made. As I've said, it holds up to 90 cans, and the racks on the inside actually remove. This is how it looks in the dark. Just showing y'all the cute little LED light. Oh my gosh, shining down on the sodas. This product is very beneficial to me because I don't have to go all the way to my kitchen to get something to drink. I have drinks right here at my fingertips. Yes, absolutely love it. And this little fridge is actually pretty spacious. Let's talk about a feature that just blew me away. It has a key. It can lock. If you want to lock this door on the fridge, you can. If you don't want anybody going into it or you're moving it, this fridge can be locked. Absolutely, I love it. And guess who got another one? I'm thinking about giving this one away. What do you guys think? For those of you who want to purchase this here beverage cooler, you get a discount code. Find that in the description box. MF20 is the code for 20% off your total. For other home appliances, do check out newair.com. That's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed my little beverage cooler tour.